We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive expert overview of the Nextmug temperature-controlled, self-heating coffee mug. This product is designed to keep your coffee, tea, or preferred beverage at the perfect temperature for hours, with 3 selectable heat settings: warm at 130 degrees, hot at 140 degrees, and piping at 150 degrees. The mug is powered by a long-lasting lithium-ion battery and charges via a docking coaster. It features LED lights to display battery life and real-time temperature, and includes a spill-resistant lid to help maintain heat and prevent spills. The Nextmug stands out for its simplicity and smart design. Unlike some competitors that rely on smartphone apps, this mug uses an onboard control button to power on and off and to select the desired temperature. This eliminates the need for passwords, reboots, or connectivity issues, making it extremely user-friendly, especially for those who prefer straightforward technology or for older users who might find apps cumbersome. The button is positioned on the side of the mug, making it easy to locate and operate without accidentally pressing it during use. The craftsmanship of the Nextmug is notable. It has an elegant ceramic matte finish over a durable stainless steel body, combining style with sturdiness. The ergonomically designed handle fits comfortably in the hand, providing a better grip than many traditional mugs. This makes it ideal for use at home, in the office, or in a home office setting. Users report that the mug performs very well in maintaining temperature. The 3 heat settings cover a broad range of preferences, with many favoring the middle setting as it closely resembles freshly brewed coffee or tea. The mug excels at keeping beverages hot for extended periods, especially when the lid is on, which also helps reduce evaporation and may even improve the taste by reducing bitterness. However, it is important to note that the mug is designed to maintain heat rather than reheat cold liquids quickly. If you place cold coffee in it, the mug will take a long time and drain the battery faster to bring it back to the desired temperature. For best results, it is recommended to start with a hot beverage and use the mug to keep it at the preferred temperature. Battery life is generally good but varies with usage. With the lid on, the battery can last close to the advertised 4 hours, though some users feel it is closer to 2 to 2.5 hours. Charging time from empty is about 2 hours. The mug works best when kept on its charging coaster between uses, which ensures it is always ready. Some users have opted to purchase a second charging base to keep at different locations for convenience. Compared to competitors like the Ember mug, the Nextmug offers several advantages. The on-off switch on the side is more intuitive than Ember's bottom-mounted switch, which can be awkward and unreliable. The absence of an app removes connectivity frustrations and reduces cost. The Nextmug's 14-ounce capacity is larger than Ember's original 10-ounce size, better accommodating those who prefer a bigger serving. The spill-resistant lid is also a highlight, helping to keep the drink warmer longer and reducing spills or splashes. The mug's design is not without minor drawbacks. The charging base uses a barrel plug rather than USB-C, which some users find less convenient. The weight is slightly heavier than a typical ceramic mug due to the battery, but it remains manageable. The handle's smooth metal surface can feel slippery, and some users would appreciate more texture for a better grip. Additionally, the small, spring-loaded nibs on the base, which connect the mug to the charger, are a known weak point shared with similar products and require careful handling to avoid damage. Cleaning the Nextmug is straightforward, and the mug's materials are durable. The lid is easy to remove and clean, which is important for maintaining hygiene and the quality of the beverage. Overall, the Nextmug is highly recommended for anyone who values a perfectly heated beverage without the hassle of complicated technology. It is especially useful for office workers, remote workers, and those who often find their drinks cooling too quickly. It also makes an excellent gift due to its ease of use and thoughtful design. While it may not rapidly reheat cold drinks, its ability to maintain temperature with minimal fuss is impressive. If you own the Nextmug, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The product link is in the description to support this channel. This mug represents a smart, elegant solution for keeping your coffee or tea just right throughout your busy day.